about the problem statement in this video, which is the first one is other analytical method for the identification and quantification of bioactive compound has low selectivity and sensitivity. In this case, this there is significantly different other analytical methods such as the use of FTIR. Actually, FTIR gives result on the functional group only that present in that bioactive compound, while in the UV Vis result, which is the information about any conjugated pi system in the bioactive compound, which is contribute to the polar or non-polar bond, which is contribute to the polar or non-polar bond. Secondly is the mode of action and target of bioactive compound are generally different, which is compared to targeted compound. In this regard, the mode of action of bioactive compound target must be investigated in order to determine that their conjugation of tie-in, which is alternating double bond and single bond. For example, one of the characteristics of bioactive compound is that they are more stable than their non-conjugated counterparts. The third is reduction of extract volume must be avoided when it undergoes the characterization process. In this case, it will give a big impact to end product, which is the extract volume will be reduced by using other analytical methods such as NMR. NMR spectroscopy, which is it is required more extract volume for the characterization of proton and also carbon. And then UV Vis spectroscopy, it is only required less extra volume. All from me, and now I will pass to my other group member to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chandrasekharan. So now I will continue with the objective. So the general objective of this research is to evaluate the bioactive compounds contents in the mango peel using the ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. And for the specific objective is to determine the concentration of bioactive compound in the mango peel using the ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alema Sarabinti Narzi and I will continue for the extraction unit used to determine the concentration of bioactive compound in mango peel. So measurement of the phenolic compound can be either quantitative method or qualitative method. For this topic, we focus on quantitative method where follow volume constitutive method by using UV Vis Spectrophotometer. Ultraviolet visible or UV Vis spectroscopy used to measure the transmittance or the amount of light transmit through a sample by returning the intensity of the incident light to the intensity of the transmit light. So the analysis of bioactive compound by UV Vis spectroscopy include the preparation of the extract, preparation of reagent, and determination of total phenolic content in the mango peel. First, we have a look for the preparation of the extract. The extraction procedure will carry out by homogenizing 1 gram of the oven dried sample in 45 ml of the solvent for 30 minutes on a hot plate with magnetic stirring at 5 degrees Celsius. Next, Wetman filter paper was used to filter the supernatant and 5 ml of the extraction solution was added. After that, 1 ml of the filtrate was transferred to the 25 ml volumetric flask and filled to the mouth with double distilled water. And finally, the extract were ready for phenolic analysis. So, we go to the preparation of the reagent. First, 5 ml of volume circuitry phenol reagent was pipetted to a volumetric flask and filled up with distilled water to the mouth. A second, 7.5% of sodium carbonate. 7.5 gram of sodium carbonate was prepared in 100 ml of volumetric flask. And last step is determination of total phenolic compound in mango peel. So first, 1 ml of sample extract was transferred to the test tube, and then 0.5 of volume corrugation reagent was added to the sample and let the mixture about 5 minutes. It can be observed where the color changed to the mixture. Next, 1 ml of sodium carbonate was added to the mixture and let to settle down about 3 minutes. And lastly, all the test tube was placed to the ice bath for 30 minutes. So next, we transfer the blend and the sample into the cuvette and make sure we wipe the surface of cuvette with a tissue. And after that, the sample was placed into the UV Vis Spectrophotometer and make sure the clear sides are in the east-west direction where the light is coming from. So we run the test where the absorbance was recorded at a wavelength 765 nanometer. From this, the graph of absorbance versus wavelength will produce. Method, we use a gallic acid anhydride standard as a calibration curve. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kalismia Mladen and I will be explaining about the performances of UV Vis Spectrophotometer in the study. Vis spectroscopy and the study was performed for qualitative analysis and for identification of certain classes of compounds in mango peel. The primary application of UV Vis spectroscopy was for quantitative analysis because phenolic compounds are powerful chromophores in the UV range. Phenolic compounds including magniferine, ruthene, quercetin, and phenols form complexes with iron that have been detected by the UV Vis spectroscopy. Due to their biochemical and molecular properties, phenolic compounds are highly suitable to be quantified with UV visible light. The ability of the phenolic ring to absorb UV light is exploited to quantify these compounds. Thus, it allows the quality and purity of the extract to be known. In addition to this, visible light can also provide valuable information due to the colored nature of some of the phenolic and carotenoid compounds. Foley-Sjokotu assay was applied in this analysis method. Foley-Sjokotu assay for total phenolic content relies on the ability of the Foley-Sjokotu reagent to strongly react with the phenolic compounds. A mixture of two acids, namely phosphotungstic and phosphomolybdic acids, react with mono and dehydroxylated phenolic molecules due to their high ability to denote electrons. The UV Vis spectra of the mango peel extracted were thus attributed to the electronic transitions occurring within the hydroxyl groups of the phenolic molecules, with different transitions corresponding to the different phenolic subclasses. The spectroscopy UV Vis technique was found to be less selective, and it gives information on the composition of the total phenolic content, where the results obtained were expressed as milligram of gallic acid equivalents per 100 gram dry weight. That is all from us. Thank you.